let's start with the multiplication and division. Okay, what should be multiplied or divide to make a perfect square number? So before that, just wanted to check upon, is 200 a perfect square number? Anyone? Yes, no? Arohi?
Sir, sir, I don't think so. Sir, actually, yes, sir.
Adya, what do you think? Is 200 a perfect square number? Adya, is my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the question?
Question is in front of you.
Oh, okay. Wait, I can't see the screen, sir.
Why?
I don't know.
Please log out and join again. I'm waiting for your response. Gaurav, what is your answer?
Sir, 200 is not a perfect square number.
Why is it so?
Sir, because 10 into 10 is 100 and 20 into 20 is 400. So it's not possible for it to be 200.
What about in between numbers? What about
Sir,
11, 12?
sir, it's not possible. Sir. I think the closest is 14 square.
So, how to check? So, to check if it is a perfect square number, do you know what is the process? How to check?
Sir, you do long division?
Yeah, long division is one of the methods.
Sir, my teacher said you do prime factorization and then whichever number is not in a pair, you have to multiply that number or
You're
divide.
jumping too much. My question is perfect if 200 is a perfect square number or not. So, yeah, long division is also one of the method to check, but generally we use prime factorization method. So, everyone, please do the prime factorization and tell me the answer. It is not a perfect square number. Why is it so?
Sir, it ends with 0.
That is not the logic. Anybody else? What is the logic? Obviously, 100 also ends with 0, which is a perfect square number. Arohi, what is the logic behind this thing?
Sir, I think it's because 2 is like
Hmm.
not a perfect square. Sir, I don't know. Sir,
Gaurav,
because 2 zeros is it.
Gaurav, you would like to add? So after doing the prime factorization, I'm getting 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5. I hope everyone got the same answer. Now, if you focus on this thing, this middle 2 is not in pair. Okay, this middle 2 is not in pair. Hence, 200 is not a perfect square number. Not because of any random reason. Sir, it is ending with 0. Sir, it is starting with 2. Those are not the reasons. Is it making sense out there? Are we? So please try to connect the dots. We have already done prime factorization, isn't it? So when we are doing prime factorization, to become a perfect square number, they should be in pairs. As you can see over here, 2 and 2 are in pair, 5 and 5 are in pair, whereas 2 in between is not in pair. Okay, that is the number which is creating the nuisance for us. So we will get rid of that number or we'll give a partner to him. Think about this thing. What should be multiplied to 200 to make it a perfect square number? Think, tell me the answer. So over here, 2 is not in pair. Do you agree? Hence,
So do we multiply the 200 into 2?
we just multiplied by 2 because that will make him a perfect square number because 2 was not there. So we will giving him 1 2 extra. Okay. Hence 2 is not a pair number. Hence 2 should be multiplied to make 200 a perfect square number.
So for any number, you're just supposed to multiply the number which is not in pair by the original equation.
Absolutely. Adya, is this thing making sense? Yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
And Gaurav, what about you? Gaurav, are you still there or not? Anyway, uh,
Sir, he's left, sir. His thing is.
I'll send him the recording. That's okay. Now, what should be divided? Adya, what do you think? What should I divide? What should be divided to make 200 a perfect square number? Yes,
Uh,
Adya?
so divided by 2.
Yeah, because that is not in pair. Okay, be confident. So over here, we will write the statement. This is the reason. 2 is not in pair. This is the reason of division. Okay. Hence, 2 should be divided to make 200 a, okay, 200 a perfect square number. And hence, we will get this thing. Okay. Arohit, method is easy.
Yes, sir. This is actually easier than subtraction and addition.
That's why, when I started teaching, I used to do multiplication division first. And in chapter also multiplication division come first. Addition subtraction comes later. And because students are done with this easier topic, they don't like the difficult topic. So hence I changed my strategy over the years. So over the years I do addition to subtraction first, and then I do this thing. Then by the time students understand addition subtraction better. Anyway, this is the recap of what chapter we have done. Okay. You can take a screenshot of this thing. I will be sharing the recording uh, the way I did last time. Okay. If you miss out or if you want to revise. So do share it with other people if you would like to. Okay. So do long division for addition subtraction. Do prime factorization for multiplication division. Multiplication division is super easy. For multiply, just multiply what is not in pair. For division, just divide what is not in pair. Adya, is this thing making sense?
Yes, sir.
For addition subtraction, it's bit tricky, especially for addition. That's why it is highly marked. It comes of 4 marks. Addition subtraction is more important than multiplication division, let me tell you. Okay, multiplication division is important for actually cube and cube root chapter. Okay, We will learn cube and cube root chapter. Over there, we will do multiplication division, whereas cube and cube root chapter does not have addition subtraction. It does not have addition subtraction. Hence, for square and square root, addition subtraction super important. Okay, and both the chapters are important. Teacher have to give both the questions. So multiplication division, high chances cube and cube root will come. Addition subtraction, high chance if teacher wants to give a difficult question, teacher will give addition. Addition is the most difficult question. So when something is difficult, instead of running from it, try to respect what is difficult, do 2, 3 more questions of that. So thank you so much for this particular topic. So when we are looking at this kind of question, so we look at the non-pair number, which should be multiplied.